What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cam, aka Cam Willow, back here with another banger. As you can see by the thumbnail, today we got a Jordan 4, something different. It's a women's shoe, and yeah, I've been looking at this shoe for a little minute. Before it came out, I did not like this shoe at all. Like the colors was fire, but it just looked a little bit girly to me. But in person, it's a whole different ball game. But we're finna jump straight into this video. We're not even gonna do too much of that talking. We're getting straight into it. So, you know, as you can see by the box, it's a regular Jordan 4 box, size 10.5, which is a 9 in men's. Dang, where my lighting go? But yeah, it's a size 9 in men's. Like y'all always see, I always get a 9 unless it's a different shoe that I need to size up on. And yeah, here's the bottom of the shoe right here. Yeah, getting into this shoe. Hold on real quick. Alright, y'all boys. So I was showing y'all the bottom of the box, but we're gonna get into the shoe. The Jordan 4 Frozen Moments. If you like this shoe, let me know in let me know in the comments if you rockin' with this. I know it's kind of like yeah, kind of giving girly-ish, but I feel like all the Jordan 4s, the women's colorways be better than the men's colorways. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like the men's colorways be like Jordans that dropped back then that he releasing now, but I feel like the Jordans he dropped for the women's, they just be like different colors and they just be hard. But I'm glad I got my hands on these. And yeah, so these are called the Frozen Moments. The backstory on this shoe is supposed to be about the last shot of a game winning or something, and how it's so shiny because of the cameras and the last shot and all that other stuff. But yeah, I really do like this shoe a lot. Like in person, this shoe is like fire. Like let me just show y'all real quick. Like this shoe is fire. Only thing I'm not really rocking with just a little bit is the black in there on the netting. If it was white, I feel like it would be a little bit better. But besides that, it's still a good shoe either way around. So midsole, well, starting from the bottom, as you can see, it's a regular Jordan 4 with the little hints of gray, the dark gray, the light gray. Really do like that. That's very, very good. I do like that a lot. And then you go right here up to the top to the midsole. You do got that gray. I feel like I mean, that's another thing I do like on the shoe. It's a lot of gray, but it's a lot of different materials, like this shiny part right here, or I mean it could be metal or whatever. And then you come right here. This is a different type of material. It is kind of suede, but I don't know the name of the material. I will be putting it up on the screen. And then you got this little material, this little other like shiny material right here. I do like that as well. I like how that's changed. The toe box, kind of the same for any other Jordan 4. Look at the stars on this boy. Feel me at the bottom, real fresh, clean pair. I just tried the shoe on, laced them up. This is my liking of lacing the Jordan 4s up. Something different. I don't really even lace my Jordan 4s up like this, but there go the back tab for y'all. And yeah, there go the tongue for y'all. And then the back right here is say Air Jordan. It's a signature thing, always upside down. And then it does not say Nike Air on there. It does have the Jordan thing on there. I still like that, but it could have been better with the what's the name on there. But yeah, I do really like this shoe a lot. It's very fire. I like the white in the inside, so you know, gotta wear the white socks. You feel me? Cause you can't mess that up. But yeah, if you did get these, make sure you let me know in the comments how you like them. The quality on this shoe is very, very good. I will be showing y'all on foot. But yeah, it's very like, it's not really, I don't know, it's really different. Like, it's a different Jordan 4. But like me, it don't really matter because I love Jordan 4s. Jordan 4s are fire. Even with this little air bubble right there, it is clean right there. It's clear, it is gray. But I feel like it's just like one of them simple shoes that you just can't mess up with a fit. Like if you mess the fit up with this, you just, honestly, you just can't dress at all. I'm sorry. You can't dress at all. Because all you gotta do, you can just throw these on with some black jeans, some little calm, cool blue jeans and call it a day. Like if you mess this up, you really cannot dress at all. Because I do not see how you mess this up. But yeah, I really do like this shoe. Let me show y'all both shoes real quick. Shout out to the company that sent me this too. I forgot to tell y'all this. I didn't lace the other shoe. And yeah, just because I was trying this shoe on. And yeah, here go both of the shoes for y'all though. So I'm about to give y'all this on foot, and then I'm in the video off there. Let me know what you like about this. Let me know what y'all like about this shoe. Cause I don't really know. It's something different. You know, I really be sticking with my black and my colors, my little light colors, but I really don't even know. Like I do know what I want to wear with this, but at the same time I don't. It's this Supreme little shirt I just seen. I don't know if I want to wear that, honestly. But yeah, I'm about to do this on foot for y'all. So yeah. Dang, I just realized I can't even do the on foot for real. Cause I don't got the other shoe laced, and I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm being real lazy right now, and I'm not about to lace this other shoe, but I just want to give y'all another look at this shoe real quick. Feel me? But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on this video. If you do like sneaker content, make sure you go tap in with your boy. Like in my other video, I did say I am about to be starting streaming on Twitch, so make sure I go tap in with that. 2K24 bangers on the way on Twitch, bro. Make sure I go tap in and just chilling with the gang on there. So it's your boy Cam, aka Cam Willow, and we is out. Peace.